Today on Taste Test, we are trying to tell the difference between fresh or frozen vegetables. Now, Liz, are you a fresh, frozen, or canned vegetable gal?
I am a fresh all the way.
Okay.
Fresh, never frozen.
I like them all. And I think I'm gonna be able to tell the difference, which is saying a lot for me because I don't do well at these usually, but I think I'm gonna know.
I do frozen because it's easier. Yeah, fresh requires a lot of maintenance, upkeep. It goes bad in the fridge if you don't use it soon enough.
I still eat like creamed corn out of the can.
Yeah.
Like that I love.
Well, this is a good duo. We've got a frozen palette and a fresh palette.
But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe by pressing the button down below. Did I just point in front of your face?
You did.
Oh, don't forget to subscribe by pressing the button down below.
Blindfolds on. First vegetable up.
Do you want to try to start with the left one or the right one?
You know what? I smelled it already, and I can
Yeah.
already tell which one is frozen and which
Really?
one is fresh.
I need to try the next one.
I do too, before I can say, yeah.
The one on the left, in my nose opinion, is frozen.
Should we taste it to be sure?
Right is fresh.
I was gonna say right is frozen.
Fresh, frozen.
Based on what I tasted, I think the left is fresh, the right is frozen.
I'm the opposite.
Yeah.
Charlie, you're wrong.
So shocker.
Alexandra, you're correct.
Woo!
You're correct.
Yeah!
Is it like a carrot or something?
Is that a carrot?
That's a carrot.
Okay.
Oh, that's
really
great.
Sweet.
Let's try the right.
These vegetables are good.
Okay, they're really good. First of all, they're like sweet, salty.
And the one on the right is frozen.
The left tastes way more buttery to me,
It does.
but the right one is crunchier.
Right one's countryar, which makes me think it's.
It's fresh.
So you think that the one on the right is the frozen?
Uh-huh.
I say the one on the right is fresh.
I think you're right. I think the
right is
one,
fresh,
yeah.
left is frozen.
You're wrong.
Oh no! God.
Which one do you like better?
I like the one on the left better.
Me too.
And I think it's frozen.
It's fresh.
Liz, you're correct.
Never has this happened!
What are we eating
Oh,
now?
it's corn!
Is it?
Yeah.
I think I already
Very
know.
crunchy.
I just know from that one bite.
Okay.
Terrible.
Yeah.
This
That's-
is fresh.
You're right. You got it.
Woo! I know.
That's fresh on the right.
Oh, we disagree again.
Wait, no, you're right.
Left is fresh.
Yeah,
Final
left
answer.
is fresh, right is frozen.
You're right.
Yay!
Woo!
That was easy.
Oh, it's mushy.
Spinach.
Oh!
I did left. I'm not sure.
I'm not sure either.
I'm gonna go right. You have to.
I think the one on the right is frozen.
I totally disagree.
They honestly taste the same to me.
Left tastes saltier to me. And better.
No, the one on the one on the left is definitely frozen. Frozen spinach tends to be more compact
Yes.
per bite versus the fresh spinach, which tends to not be so compact.
If I had to guess, I would have said left is fresh.
Me too.
Okay.
Wait.
Right
Yeah,
is
left is
frozen.
fresh, yeah.
Left
is fresh.
Right is not.
You're wrong.
Oh
What
my
the-
god.
This is fresh. This is frozen.
Correct.
Yes! Thank you so much for teaching
We're
me
good
about that.
partners.
Broccoli time. I can
Oh,
just
yeah.
tell.
Pressure's on. I have an inkling already. I'm gonna go to right side.
The one on the right, totally,
Are you okay?
totally frozen.
Really?
Wait, let's say it at the same time which one we think is fresh.
Oh boy. Okay, ready?
1, 2, 3, left.
Right.
Why do you think the right one is fresh?
Because when I had the left side, it had zero flavor. The left is crunchier, but for me, it's not as flavorful.
I'm gonna stand by left.
I'll go with my original thought, which was that right is fresh.
Alexandra, you're correct.
Woo! Frozen.
All right. Fresh frozen.
Correct.
You know.
Our last veggie.
Yay.
Okay.
Smell test.
Green beans, finally!
Green beans. Da, 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 da.
I already know. The right is fresh. It's so much crunchier,
It is.
so much more flavor,
Okay.
saltier.
Oh.
I know which one it is. And I know exactly which package this is in.
Flavor-wise, it's the same for me.
Really?
Yeah, but definitely crunchier on the right side.
Do you want me to say or do you want
No,
me
go
to?
ahead.
I think the one on the left is frozen.
I agree.
The right is fresh.
Yes. Okay. I agree with you.
You're right.
Good job, Alexandra.
Frozen.
Frozen, fresh.
Fresh.
You're right.
Yay!
That was an experience.
That was. It's really hard to do it blindfolded.
Yeah.
Way harder than I was anticipating.
This was my best one.
Yeah.
My mom is gonna be so proud of me. But I think I could distinguish between the frozen and the fresh quickest when I had eaten that frozen one growing up.
For me, it was all about smell. Like that smell just kind of took me back somewhere.
Okay, that was definitely a little bit of a challenge, but I'm really glad I had your support. So thank you. And thank you guys for watching, and let us know in the comments what you want to see us eat next time on Taste Test. Bye.
Bye.